Third grade, today you are getting back your foil sculpture. You are getting a piece of cardboard and up to 2 pieces of foil. You also at your seat have tape and scissors and pencils. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of foil and then you're going to patch up any areas that need extra work. So around his belly, I don't need the whole thing, so I would just kind of cut it in half and use what I need. I would kind of come around and remember not to over squeeze. If you need to go separate in different areas, you can always cut and attach like so. Notice I cut a slit just to do that, and then I'm not over squeezing. I don't have to worry about posing him just quite yet. All right, and then I'm checking to make sure that there aren't any other things showing, and there are not. So then what I'm going to do is figure out what I want the pose to be. I think mine is going to be, this time, maybe an ice skater. So I'm just going to pose my person the way I want it to be, maybe make pointing their foot. And then I'm going to try to get it to attach to my base. All right. So what we have to do is kind of center it. And then you're going to be using rolls of tape. There are 2 rolls of tape at each table. While you're sharing with somebody else, sometimes it's good to make a bunch of strips and then stick them kind of to the edge of the table like this, just so you both have access to as much tape as you need. And then I'm going to stand them up and really mold the tape on to the center. If you're having a hard time getting yours to stay, let me know and I can help you. You can also talk to people at your table. So now he is standing just fine on his own. And what I'm going to do then is cover the base of this part with my other piece of foil. So what you want to do is, if you have 2 feet, you'll cut 2 slits. If you have 1 foot, you'll cut 1 slit. And what I'm doing is just kind of covering around that foot like this. So you can see I cut 1 slit, I slid it around, you can kind of crisscross, and then you're just going to fold it under. And get that to cover up. Holding nice and gentle so you don't tear your foil, like so. So that the base looks part of the sculpture itself. You can kind of shape that foot back out just by rubbing around it. And then I want you to put your name on a piece of tape and put that name at the bottom so I know whose it is. Because these are a graded project. Remember, we are doing sculptures in the round, and then the next time we're together, you'll have access to the paper, tissue paper, and you can start building clothes for your Giacometti inspired sculpture. All right. Thank you for listening.